guys, welcome and welcome back to another video with Legit Colleen. Today I'll be showing you how to save a TikTok that has no save button. And as you can see, this creator has not turned on her save permission so people could save it. So I'm going to show you how to get past that. So you want to click on the share button and you can see that there is no save button here as well. And go ahead and click copy link. Then you want to go out and go to your app store and search for Save Talk. The link will be in the description box, but this is available on iPhone and Android. So once you go to Save Talk, this is what it will look like. It's the first app that pops up on my phone and it should be on yours. And then we're just going to click open and click Save TikTok. When you click Save TikTok, it will open the link that you copied. And make sure it's checked on no watermark, or if you want to keep the watermark on, you can leave it and just click Save TikTok and it will start saving. So after a few seconds, it will finally finish saving, and it took me to the TikTok app, and then a notification popped up from the top of my phone and I clicked on it and it opened my photos. And when I opened my photos, there the TikTok was, and you can see there is no watermark on it. And that same video I couldn't save on TikTok, look, I just did it. So who's telling me what? Do not use this for plagiarism, guys. This is just to help you if you have a repost account or anything, or you just want to make an edit with a TikTok. I don't know. You can use this method, but do not try and copy anybody's work. So I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Comment more ideas down below for me to do, and don't forget to subscribe and watch my other video, my unboxing video, and join the giveaway because it ends this Friday. It also hit 2.2k recently. I love you all so much. Bye.